In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with ChatGPT. Easy AI automation tutorial, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have an automation that listens to activity in Pipedrive and sends that information to ChatGPT to draft content, summarize notes, and more without manual copy and paste. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create to start a new automation, then choose Zaps. This opens the editor where we'll connect Pipedrive as the trigger and ChatGPT as the action. In the trigger section, search for and select Pipedrive as the app. Next, click Choose an Event to decide what should kick things off. Common choices include a new lead created, a deal updated, or a deal moving to a specific stage. Pick the event that matches your workflow. You'll then connect your Pipedrive account so Zapier can receive data. Follow the prompt to authorize access and make sure you have a sample record in Pipedrive that reflects the event you chose. This helps Zapier pull in real fields like contact name, organization, and deal details for testing. With the trigger ready, move to the action step and click Action. Search for and select ChatGPT as the action app. Now define what you want ChatGPT to do with the Pipedrive data. You can ask it to draft a personalized email, summarize meeting or deal notes, or generate a quick update based on the latest changes. Connect your ChatGPT account when prompted and authorize the connection securely. Next, map data and create your prompt. Use the fields from the Pipedrive trigger to personalize the content. For example, insert the contact's name, the deal title, and any relevant notes into your prompt instructions. Be explicit about tone, length, and objective, such as write a concise, friendly outreach email, or summarize these notes into 3 bullet style sentences. Keep sensitive information out of the prompt unless it's necessary for the output, and only map the fields you truly need. Once your prompt looks good, run a test. Zapier will send sample data from Pipedrive to ChatGPT and return an example output. Review it carefully to confirm the content is accurate, the personalization fields are pulling in correctly, and the tone matches your style. If something's off, tweak the prompt or field mappings and test again. When you're satisfied, turn on the automation. From now on, whenever your chosen Pipedrive event occurs, ChatGPT will generate the content automatically, saving you time and keeping your follow ups consistent and timely.